Hi, this is Mayuri Mehra, and I'll be showing you how to build in accessibility features on the iPad that support students with low vision. The accessibility features that I'll be talking about are the digital magnifier and speak selections. Uh, to start with, we'll start with the digital magnifier. This feature turns the iPad into a handheld magnifying glass using the camera. It's great for reading worksheet, textbooks, and labels around the classroom. So to begin with, we go to a control center of your iPad. It appears as a clear grayish box on your screen with white circle in the middle. Click onto the control center. Then hold down once the control center is open. You will see a white plus appear below, then click and add a control. Now tap on the magnifier and toggle it on. So now the magnifier is switched on, and once it's on, triple click on the home or top button to activate it. So now we have a worksheet that we have, and we have the magnifier features that we can use. And I'll be showing you how to use different features for this worksheet. To begin with, it's first will be the zoom. We have the plus to zoom in and the minus sign to zoom out. The next feature will be you could use is the brightness. You can increase or decrease the brightness according to the student's preference. The next is the contrast setting. Again, increase or decrease the contrast as your student's preference. The next feature is a flashlight. If it's a dimly lit room, you can use the flashlight, and it helps the student look at the text clearly. The next are the filters, different filters that can you use: the natural, black on white, red on black, yellow on black. These are different ones: blue on white, grayscale. These are very different features you can play along according to your student's preference. I'm going to go back on the natural for now. Once you have used all your settings according to your students' needs, we could finalize the settings, and we can capture the text. Once you take a photo, the image goes into the Magnifiers app, but if you want to use it for different purposes, we press the share and save image, and it goes into your photo library, and we can use it as we need. So now now this is how you use the magnifier. The next accessibility feature that we were going to talk about is speak selection. And speak selection is a tool that reads aloud selected text. This helps students with visual fatigue or reading challenges. So to use this, we first go to settings, accessibility, and then we go to the spoken content, and we toggle the spoken content speak selection on. Once we switch it on, we'll be going back to the text, the page we had selected. Now we highlight any text, and once we highlight the text, you will see the speak button. There's a bar where the speak button comes on. Let me try that once more. We highlight, and the speak button comes on. Once you press the speak button, it will read the text for the student.
Rewriting the genome. A. Key question: how is recombinant DNA used?
So as you see that low vision students often rely on a mix of visual and auditory input, features like magnifier and speak selection can bridge access gaps and empower students to engage more independently with classroom materials. And educators and paraprofessionals who understand these tools can provide more responsive and inclusive support. Thank you.